What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my first video on my channel. Today, because I like slime, this is a bad slime, why did I pick this one up? I'm going to show you how to make a basic slime. A very nice basic slime. This one's really bad, but a basic slime like this one. Just a nice, easy, basic slime. Obviously, for this slime, you're going to need a mixing spoon, a mixing bowl, which is a bit dirty, but it doesn't matter. I need to put this somewhere. You will also need some glue, PVA glue. I've got Elmer's and some activator. That's the basics. But because I'm just want to make some fluffy slime, that's the word, I'm going to use some shaving foam. So if you want to make fluffy slime, then you use shaving foam. So first step is you put the glue in the bowl. When it decides to come out, that's it. Right, that's enough. You don't want too much. The amount of glue that you put in the bowl is the amount of slime that you're going to get, and if you're doing fluffy, I would put less in because the shaving foam expands it. Right, then you want to shake your shaving foam up. At this point, if you're just making basic slime, then you just add your activator into the slime. But because I'm making fluffy, I'm not going to do that. Just shake it a bit more. Yep, that'll do. I'm not gonna. Yeah. Then you want to mix them together really well, make it nice and creamy. And at this point, if you want to add any special ingredients like glitter or anything like that, then add them. So, once it's mixed all up, then you want to add your borax. So I'm going to do a teaspoon at a time. Or you can use contact lens solution or anything like that, but I'm using borax. And then it starts to clump together straight away. So just keep mixing, don't add any activator yet until you know it's all mixed in fully. Okay, that's still sticky. And keep touching it to see if it's ready or not, but this is what mine looks like so far. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. And I'm just going to keep mixing and mixing and mixing. You probably won't need any more activator after this point. Just mix, really. Or knead with your hands, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put my hands in, I'm going to start kneading, but first I'm going to roll my sleeve up because I don't want to get it all over me. And then I just knead. And maybe this slime's probably going to go a bit hard because it's just me. Not very good at making slime. Oops. And then I've got to get all of it off the side of the balls. See it all up. It smells like shaving foam, but I like the smell, so that's okay. Yeah, it smells nice. So that's the fluffy slime. And now I'm going to show you how to make a regular slime. Didn't like this slime, it's not very good. But normally I think you could do better than me. Just haven't done very good today. So I've got some glue left, a little bit. And I'm going to make a good slime. enough glue. Put the lid on. This one you're not going to need shaving foam. You're going to need you're going to need to get some shampoo. And sorry about that, that was just my friend. She was on FaceTime to me. She was doing really well, but then she was shouting me. So, yeah, I'm sorry. You just want to add a little bit of shampoo in and then mix it up. This is going to be a lot thinner, but that's okay. Then add your activator. This slime I prefer to the other one, but yeah, that's what I prefer. You might not prefer that, but yeah. So you're just going to keep adding your activator and mixing up. So let me prop you up, that so you can see what it looks like as I'm mixing. Try and clear the sides a bit. Have I made that worse? Yes, I have. Right, never mind. It just looks like glue. So I'm going to mix really fast. Doesn't really matter about that. Look, there's the slime. That's what we're aiming to get. Won't be as thick as that because that slime's a bit old now. So yeah. Right, so I'm at a point where I think I can probably put my hands in. Yes, it's still sticky and it's over my hands, but I'm at a point where I can start to knead it with my hands. And that means I can wipe it off the side of the bowl so you can see. Right, okay. So, I'm going to keep adding some activator. Activating my slime. My slim or slime. I like to call it slim, I don't know why. I just do. But mixing it now, I feel like I can probably get both hands in after the next dollop of activator. I mix that. Put my hands in. And let's get all of my hands in and dirty. So. I get it from a spoon. We have made a slime. So I shall move the bowl out the way. It's so stretchy. So this video wasn't a fail like I thought it was going to be because the first slime did not turn out very well. This slime is good. And then this point you can add any colour or anything like that, or you could have added it in when it was glue, but I prefer to do it after. So, thumbs up. So, that was my slime tutorial. I hope you liked it. We did manage to make a slime. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.